Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious and beautiful looking pesto pasta salad. We've got our cherry tomatoes that we cut into halves and throw in the bowl. To the salad bowl, add in arugula and some baby spinach leaves or just spinach leaves, and also black Kalamata olives, and if you're not a fan of those, leave them out. Add in some basil leaves, you can chop them into smaller pieces if you want, and then open your container of fresh small mozzarella balls and throw those in too. Choose the pasta that you like. We chose a tricolore fusilli just to make it look even prettier, and then throw 2.5 full of those in a pot of boiling water with a tablespoon of salt and let them cook. For the dressing or sauce, we'll be using a jar of ready-made pesto sauce, about 2 to 4 tablespoons, and add in some heavy cream to the pesto sauce, then put it in on medium heat. We'll add in some sprinkles of oregano and dried basil to the sauce to add in more flavor while it's on the pot, and then let it simmer until it thickens and mixes well together. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll drain and set aside to cool, or just run it through cold water before adding the pasta to the salad bowl. If it's too hot, it may cause the greens in the salad to wilt and then it won't look so pretty anymore. Assemble everything in the bowl nicely and it's all done. If you don't want a creamy pesto dressing, you can also use a nice balsamic glaze or a balsamic dressing instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!